Have you wondered how to create a YouTube channel that will actually work, give you views, even give you a viral video? You are in a right place because in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create a YouTube short. Okay, starting from beginning to the end. So if it is the type of video you would love to watch, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so. Okay, so now let's dive in. Let me show you the step-by-step process you are going to take in order to create your good YouTube short. Okay, YouTube short, you go straight to YouTube app and click on it, then allow it to load. Once your video load, the next thing you have to do is to click on this plus sign. Okay, when you click on this plus sign, you wait for a few minutes for it to load. As you are waiting, there is where you will see video, short, live, then post. Click on the short there. Oh, this thing is disturbing. But the highest seconds you have to record your video is 60 seconds. Okay, so now after you finish recording your this thing, after you finish recording it, you add the sound. If you want to add sound, okay, you add sound by clicking on that add sound. Then when it comes to this place, here is this group of trending videos you have to choose. Okay, then now you have to click on this. Let's use this number one, this first recommending videos here. Then click on this blue arrow here. Once you click on it, then it will add the sound. Okay, then if you want to add a text, you click on this A here, then add whatever text you want to add on your video. Okay, then if you don't want to add a text, you can see remove it. You can still leave it like that. Do you understand? Then after set and done, you click on done. Have you seen it? Then now if you don't want this video to sync out, do you understand? If you don't want the music that you add there to sing, then you come here and click here. It's reduce the music icon to 0. Okay, if you don't want a music, then hide your audio to 100%. Okay, the same thing with this one. You put it on silent. Then if it happens that you use a voiceover, you come to this audio here and loud it. Do you understand it now? So this is how you are going to do it. Okay, then after set and done, you click on this good here, then come here and click on next. When you click this next, now you wait it to upload. Do you understand? This place now, you are going to add your title. Then you just add your title. Let's assume down that our title is how to cook jollof rice, for example. Now some people will just come here and only put hashtags and leave it there. No, once you immediately you upload your video, once you reach here, you just add your title. Your title will determine the audience that the algorithm will push your content to. Do you understand? But if you add only hashtags, it doesn't make sense. Do you understand? And again, if you add your title, once somebody search for your video will be able to pop up. Do you understand? But if you didn't add your title here, immediately people search your video is not going to rank, no matter how good, no matter how interesting your video is. Do you understand? So once you upload your video, you come here, add your title. Do you understand? Then after adding your title, you can still leave it on list. Then go to location, add the location. It is not compulsory. You just add the location if you like. Okay, then come down to this place that is no, it is not meant for kids. Yes, it is meant for kids. Make sure, please and please, make sure your video is on no, it is not meant for kids. If you leave your video on yes, it is meant for kids, your video is not there is a particular set of people that will be watching your video, and it will also affect your revenue. Do you understand? Please and please make sure your video is on made for kids, not made for kids. Okay, then if you're under cartoon and the rest of them animation, that's 3D animation, that is mainly for cartoons, you can still leave it on yes, it is made for kids, because an adult cannot watch it. Although there are some adults can watch it, but make sure you put that particular type of your video on yes, it is made for kids. Okay, now after set and done, you come down to this related video, click on it, then go back to your channel. It will direct you back to your channel. Let's wait for it to upload. When you go back to your channel, you click on any type of video that you want to upload. Okay, like let's assume now that you want to upload this particular video. You click on it. Did you see it now? You connect it to your other video. But please and please, I've been repeating this on my video. Once you need make sure that what you're uploading on your short is the same thing as the one you're uploading on your channel, so that those people that watch those people that watch your videos will be able to watch your short form video will be able to watch your long form video. Okay, now this is it here. Now as I finish connecting this long form video with a short form video, you come here, add allow video and audio remix. Please leave it on allow video and audio remix. Okay, if you leave it on allow video and audio remix, if your video go viral, anybody that use that your what do they call it, anybody that make use of your remix to upload the video, you are going to get a commission from it. So that is why you have to leave it on allow video and audio remix. Okay, now coming to this paid promotion and brands. If a brand pay you for promoting their products, you click on yes. Do you understand? But if a brand didn't pay you for promoting their brand, you click on no. So for this video, I'm going to click on no because I didn't receive any payment for brand promotion. So now let's go back to authored content. Now here, now do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or do something that they didn't say or do. Alter footage of a real event or place. Generate a realistic looking sense that didn't actually occur. Now if you are into faceless channel, you are going to click on yes. You understand? But now that you are not into faceless channel, you are going to choose what? No. So this my video is not a faceless channel, is I showed my face then, so I'm going to click on no. Do you understand? Now let's go back. Then for the comments, if you want your comment to be on, you leave it here. If you don't want anybody to comment on your video, then you come here and click off. Once you click off, nobody is going to comment on your video. Your comment section will turn off. If you watch, there are some videos that you watch on YouTube, you realize that there is no comment section there, so they turn it off. So if you want people to comment on your video, which is very, very important, communication is very, very important in your video, and if you want that communication, you are going to do what? Turn this setting on. Do you understand? Then let's go there. Then after set and done, you are going to come here that they wrote save draft, upload shot. You go straight to upload shot and click on it. Then your video will start to upload. Do you understand? Then as your video is uploading, you go back to your YouTube app. Okay, let's go back to our YouTube Studio app to go and do the remaining ones there, like adding our description, adding our title and adding our description, tags and the hashtags. Okay, now we are on our YouTube studio. Let's wait for it to download. Okay, please pardon me, the network is bad. So now, as you're waiting for it to download, I've mentioned 3 things that you're going to do here, which is adding your description, which is very, very important. And make sure, as you're adding your description, make sure that you are making use of the title that you use on your video, okay, so that the algorithm will know the people that have that particular video. Okay, so now we are going to choose the content. When we choose the content, we go to short views. Okay, now the content is here. Do you understand? So this is our video here. Let me bring it in full. Once our short video come up like this, we are going to start putting our description. And make sure that after putting your description, under that your description, you're going to add your hashtags. Okay, under your description you add your hashtags. There are some people that will just leave their video and go straight to add they will leave their title and go straight to add their hashtags. No, this is where you're going to add your hashtags. Do you understand? Under your description, then you add your 3 hashtags. Okay, then after that your 3 hashtags, then you go to your tags and add your tags there as well. Tag section and add your tags. And please don't add too much tags. Do you understand? If you add too much tags, you are confusing the algorithm, because you might add both the reasonable and unreasonable tags there as well. Do you understand? So now let's go straight and do the remaining ones. Okay, I'm sorry, this thing is very, very slow. So now we are going to add our description. You click on description here. Then when you click on your description, you start writing your description like this. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cook jollof rice. Okay, this if you are if you are finding it difficult, difficult to cook jollof rice, you are in a right place. You are in a right place because in today's video I'm going to teach you the step by step method that you will love. Okay, after set and done, then you come to add your hashtags, like hashtags how to cook cook jollof rice. Okay, come down again and add Nigeria jollof rice. Cook, write your hashtags. Step, okay, how to cook Nigerian food. How to cook, let's assume to cook Nigerian cook Nigerian food. Okay, so this is how you are going to do it. After everything, then you click out. Do you understand? Come down to this place for playlist, add it on any playlist that you want to add it. Okay, then now coming to these tags, you are going to add your tags relating to your niche. Do you understand? Don't add hashtag that is totally different from your niche. Make sure that you add a hashtag that is relating to your niche, like how to cook jollof rice, Nigerian recipe, or Ghana recipe, or Indian recipe. Do you understand? How to cook food. Do you understand that type of tax? But I would advise you, if you want to generate your tax and you don't know the type of tax that you would use, go to your chat GTP and generate tax. Okay, give it the instruction that you want to generate a task relating to your video title. You keep your video title, you drop your video title there, then give it a prompt. It's going to drop it for you. Do you understand? Or you can make use of your TubeBuddy or your video queue app. Okay, so after writing your task here, then you go back and do what? And hit upload public. Once you hit this public, then you come back here and do what? Save. Okay, so I don't want to upload this video, but this is what you're going to do. After doing it, you come here and click on save. Do you understand? So this is the step-by-step method on how you are going to upload your video, your short video. Okay, so I'm going to stop here. Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you watch up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs or subscribe if you haven't done so. I love you all. Bye bye.